This isn't just a soft drink factory. It's a multi-billion-dollar production powerhouse. Let's discover how The production process begins here. Premium refined sugar is automatically transferred into massive storage silos. Inside the secure mixing area, refined sugar and purified water are blended under precise computer control. Every batch The syrup enters the carbonation system, where carbon dioxide is added under controlled pressure. This creates the signature refreshing fizz After carbonation, the beverage flows directly into the bottling line. Every bottle is automatically sterilized, strict quality controlled.
The freshly filled bottles move directly into the automated capping system, where every cap is securely tightened with precision.
With every bottle securely sealed, the production line moves to automated labeling. High-speed precision rollers apply perfectly aligned labels. After labeling, the bottles are automatically grouped into multi-packs. A high-speed shrink-wrapping system seals every pack securely. The finished multi-packs now enter the robotic palletizing system. Intelligent every package with millimeter precision, while Before leaving the factory, every pallet is automatically wrapped in multiple layers of protective stretch film. This secures the entire ship. Once secured, the finished pallets enter the factory's intelligent warehouse. Autonomous forklifts transport every shipment through a fully automated logistics system. Every shipment arrives at a regional center. Here, automated logistics systems scan, sort, and organize each pallet before sending. From the regional distribution center, the shipment is transported directly to retail stores. Each pallet is carefully unloaded and moved into the store's inventory area. Inside the supermarket, the shipment is unpacked and carefully stocked on the beverage shelves. Every six-pack is placed in perfect order, After completing its journey through advanced manufacturing and global distribution, the same Coca-Cola pack finally reaches a customer. With the purchase complete, the same Coca-Cola Pet Eats six-pack begins the final part of its journey, traveling safely from the At home, the same Coca-Cola Piet six-pack is placed inside the refrigerator, where it chills to the perfect serving temperature. From ingredients to distribution, every step is designed to deliver the same refreshing taste. Thanks for watching PrimeFoundry.